Welcome, baking friends! Let's get to it! Today we're doing a flower basket cake. To make the basket weave, start by making a line from the bottom to the top of the cake. Then, at equal intervals, make lines across. Try to make the spaces the same width as the line being piped. Make another vertical line next to the first one. This line will cover the ends of the short horizontal lines. Pipe another set of short lines across the second vertical line in the rows where we left gaps. Your horizontal lines will be alternating rows each time you pipe down the cake. Add a border at the top using any tip you like. I used a large open star tip. This tip is what you would usually use to make a shell border. Build up the top of the cake with frosting. This will be the base for your flowers. Make it high and domed to make the flowers look fuller when you start adding them on top. Get your two-toned frosting ready by adding both colors to cling wrap and placing in a piping bag. Let's make some flowers. Let me know if you want a tutorial on how to make buttercream flowers. Using the same tip, make individual petals moving in a circular pattern. You can add 2 or 3 more layers to make a fuller flower. Here, I used a smaller tip to make tiny petals for the center. Make smaller flowers and add them to fill spaces at the top. Keep filling the gaps with flowers until you are satisfied. You can also add tiny flowers with a star tip. Attach some to the sides to give the illusion of flowers falling out of the basket. Tiny flowers can be used to hide any imperfections in your basket as well. The white adds a nice contrast and brightens it up even further. Using a leaf tip, add your leaves. These will fill any remaining gaps and provide detail and contrast. To add a handle, I used bendable wire wrapped in foil. I then covered it in frosting. Using a brush, paint along the handle to provide coverage. Add a shell layer along the length of the handle. When ready, stick both ends into the top sides of the cake. You can cover any imperfections with tiny flowers. Add as much as you need to make the basket look finished. I hope you enjoyed decorating with me. Like and subscribe for more.